Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Anisha L, and today I wanted to showcase a couple of businesses that I supported over the holiday season. 3 today that I'm going to hip you to. That way if you like what you see, you can support them, and I'll leave all their information down below. First off, let me tell you, I was initially making a video of this, and I assumed I was recording, and for some reason it wasn't recording, and I had all kind of bloopers and what have you going on. And then I was recording, I thought I was recording, and then it said battery full or something, and the camera turned off. So I was like starting back from where I thought I left off at. So I recorded that part, but the beginning part of it didn't even make it. At any rate, our first business is Amaia Anthony Apparel from Pennsylvania, the Pennsylvania area. It's an online business that appears to be geared more towards the full figure woman. Just kidding. But they also supply things for us smaller women. So I was on the website and I saw this cute little tank dress that I wanted to get in black to take with me on my vacation, but I didn't check my mailing time, so I thought it didn't come, so the show had to go on without it. But trust and believe, the next time I go, it's coming with me. So it's this little black tank dress, and it is little. I might have to do a couple crunches or something to get in it. I'm like, is all this body gonna fit in here? We gonna see. And I also got this, what did she name it? All About Stripes tunic. And it's a cute little top that I can wear as a dress or as a shirt. And I will pair it with jeans sometimes, or some tights. So I thought this was cute, and it was in my size. Therefore, I purchased it. And it also came with a keychain. She gave me a keychain. That's a good advertisement. Amaia Anthony Apparel on a keychain. Our second business is So Bomb Studios, and the owner is Keisha Tanae. And that lady, she is amazing. She's the bomb with a sewing machine, if you ask me. So on her website, I purchased headbands and some scrunchies. And I was told that she no longer does scrunchies, so if you don't have any, I guess you won't be getting any. And I actually wanted to do this video before today, which is Monday, January 13th. Because she had a bomb, I want to say a bomb ass. She had a bomb ass sale on Saturday. She was dropping some new products and getting rid of some old products. And I took advantage of that sale too. So I got this. It's called the Charisma headband. And I got it in the little animal print with red. And I got my daughter one so we could be twins. Mommy and me headbands. And this was the first one I saw on her site, and I loved it, and it really spoke to me. It made me think of my sister, so I bought 2 of them. So my sister has hers, and this got like the solar system, the Milky Way or whatever on one side, and then it has a stripe pattern on the other side. And I just love it. And she has a beautiful touch on the inside with a label. It's bomb, like so bomb. And let me tell you, so upon ordering, I ordered before I went out of town or what have you. So it came after I was gone, and I was gone like a week or so. And when I came back, I'm opening it up. Came with this cute little package right here. I'm looking through, because it's supposed to be two of these, and a pair of scrunchies. But it was only these and this one. And I'm looking all over. I'm like, did she done got me for it or whatever? I'm looking real hard, and I'm like, man, it's been a minute. And I was like, I didn't want to like call her and be like, well, send her an email or however, and tell her like I'm missing the headband or what have you. But I bit the bullet, and I wrote a professional email introducing myself and telling her how dope I think her products is, and that an item was left out. And she answered right away, and she was like, she didn't notice that there was an amount of 2. I was like, whoo, because I thought she was going to be thinking I was a liar trying to get over and get some more products from her, but everything went smooth and easy. And I got my headband. So excited. I can't wait to put it on, take some pictures, and send them to her. Anyway, on to our next business. It's a young lady. Her name is Nataleh Nicole. She's an author as of last year. She's a business owner as of last year. She has a clothing line also as of last year. And she was a school teacher for like middle school, 7th to 8th grade. She taught math or what have you. And she done so well, she was able to quit her job. I'm like, I want to be like her. And she's also a coach, and she does YouTube and all that wonderful stuff. So let me tell you what I got. I supported her by buying her book that she published last year. It's a 30-day devotional. It's called Soul Food for the Entrepreneur. It was a holiday bundle pack, so this came with a journal. And I got 3 of them. 1 for myself and 2 as gifts. One of the people haven't received their gift. So this is how it comes. Beautifully wrapped. And from her clothing line, I purchased her crew neck shirt. And it says, fearless, faith over fear. And it has a great message. So it makes you think like, fearless. You should be fearless when you doing anything that you put your, well, I'll say this. You shouldn't let your fear overpower what you want to do. That's what I'll say. You shouldn't let your fear overpower the things that you desire to do, the things that you put your mind to. Your faith in winning should be over the fear. So that's a great collection to support, because it has a great meaning. Faith over fear, fearless. So if you like any of these businesses that I have showcased today, I'll leave all their information down below so that you may support them if you so choose. Like, comment, and subscribe only if you want to, but I'd be more than happy to have you. And before I go, I'm wearing a couple of pieces from my boutique called Model Unstoppable. This all wrapped up infinity scarf. Yeah. And my black tassel dangle earrings. Thank you for watching.